Good morning. So I just wanted to do a video for those who are new to the group. Typically, when we have a giveaway like this, I'll list when it starts and then when it ends. Usually, folks have 8 to 12 hours to contact me. Some has 24-hour, but I'm sorry if you know you entered the contest and if you know that you have a chance of winning because you entered the contest, you have to follow those or else it goes to next in line. So if you don't contact me within the given time frame, then I have to move on. Some of these are sponsored by Cricut, some of them are not. If it was by me, I'm a little more flexible, but not a whole lot more, just out of respect for other folks who have entered. It's just not meant to be if you didn't claim it. But if it's the ones I have to submit a name to Cricut, I don't want to miss that deadline because then folks won't be able to get it. The next in line won't be able to get it due to my diligence. I mean, due to my negligence. So anyways, I'm going to show new members on how to join the contest or the giveaway. So here you'll see the giveaway. Usually is under the feature tab. You'll see what's going on if there is one or not. So if you don't know where to find it, go to the feature tab. And on your phone, it'll still be on the feature tab, but it just won't look like how it looked like on the website. And you have to scroll through the posts because there will probably be multiple posts in there if you don't see it up front. And then once you follow the instruction, like this one says, you must make a new post a new project with the following theme. So it's like items that I've never seen before, and you have to use your Cricut to incorporate it unless it's the extra entries where I try to let folks who don't have a Cricut join in. So once you post your project, and let me go and let me open the form first, but let me go and take somebody else's project just to show you how to fill out the form. So perfect. Look, Chrissy joined. Look like so you copy on here on the computer, you click the copy to copy the link that you posted after you made your project and posted. I think on the phone it might be a little airplane, but anyways, you'll go into the form. Here's again the instructions. If you shop with Cricut directly, please consider using my affiliated links. You'll be able to find it here. And when you go there, I'll have the most updated codes as well for materials. That you could like just a discount code. It's easier for you to keep track over there in case there are changes. Here's my YouTube channel. You don't have to follow it. I post a lot of random stuff, including my cute dog. You fill out your email address, what your Facebook name is, so I could tag you if you win or send you a message on Facebook if I can't tag you. You would take that post that you created, paste it here, and because the theme, I have these themes right here. Sometimes I put block number, so you'll put the block number one, two, three. But since I didn't put a block number here, you'll put t-shirt theme, let's say, or whatever, any craft with Cricut Incorporated. So that's what Christie's was. So you'll put any craft with Cricut Incorporated. You'll type it here, any craft with Cricut Incorporated. Yeah, spelling errors, whatever. Anyway, you could just, and then you just hit submit. And then once you hit submit, you're done. You've entered one. That's your one entry. So I hope I made that easy enough for everyone. Thank you. Have a good one.